So you guys have been struggling with this question in school. For those of you who haven't seen it, press pause and have a go. Okay, so you're told that this function has roots 1, k, and k plus 1. So this whole thing here can be rewritten as this thing here. So this is exactly the same as this, but just written differently. And you're told that when you get the function divided by this, you're going to get a remainder of 20. That's in the question. So you guys would normally just blindly jump to this and do your long division. You could do that. So if you finish, if you do your long division, by the time you finish, you're going to get an answer plus a remainder. So you're going to get an answer plus a remainder. So if you get your function and then you divide it by this, once you finish your whole long division, you're going to get an answer plus a remainder. So remember, this thing here is exactly the same as this, and it's also exactly the same as this. So all these three are exactly the same. So once you've got your function, do the long division, you're going to get an answer plus a remainder. If you're in this form, you can automatically rewrite it into this form here. So if you know this is a factor, then you can rewrite it as this plus your answer and then plus a remainder. So if you're in this form, you can automatically rewrite it into this form. So now if you put 2 into here, because looking at this, if you put 2 into here, this thing here would be 0. 0 times this thing here, the whole thing here would be 0, giving you just the remainder. Well, you're told in the question that the remainder is 20. So when you put 2 into here, the whole thing will be 20. Don't forget, this whole thing here is exactly the same as this. So if you put 2 into here, so if you put 2 into there, hang on, if you put 2 into there, it will then become this thing here. So now tidy this up. So here you've got 2 take away 1, that will give you 1. So this whole thing here equals 20. And then now multiply this out. That will then give you this. And take away 20, that will then give you this. And that's the first part of the question done, because it says show that k squared blah blah blah. Well, this is exactly the same as this, and then hence find k. Well, to find k, factorize this. So factorize this. That will then give you this. So k must be 6 and -3. And if you want to do the long division, so this is your function, and then you want to divide it by this. So it would be, hang on, bear with me. So it would be looking at this, it would be x squared. So now x squared, hang on, let me think. It would be ax squared. So no, it would be x squared. X squared times x, that will give you x to the power of 3. This times this, that will then give you -2x squared. So now it's going to be this take away this. So that would be, this would be 0, and then this would be a minus minus, so that would be plus 2x squared. Carry this down. Now you want to eliminate this, so so it's got to be something x. Well, I've got this coefficients here, so really I want a plus 2. I want a plus 2x. So now this times this x here will then give me a plus 2x squared, and then this times this, that would be minus 2a plus 2x. So so that will then give me that, and then let me think, and then this take away this, so the whole thing disappears, and then it's this take away a negative thing, so it's going to be a plus. So it's going to be b plus 2a plus 2 bracket x, and then you would carry the c down, but let me just tidy this up. This would be b plus 2a plus 4x. So you carry the c down, and then now you want to eliminate this thing here. So so maybe you can make this as b plus 2a plus 4. So now this times this, that will then give us b plus 2a plus 4x, and then this times this, that will then be minus let me think, 2b plus 2a plus 4, and then now you would get this take away this, so that would be, well, these two are going to cancel each other out, so this take away this would be c plus 2 this. So this is your remainder. This is your remainder. So so your answer. So this is your q of x. So this is your q of x, and this would be your remainder r of x. I hope I've done that right. Okay.